Conceptions I hear with customers so frequently with HP latex is understanding the calibration process for their materials on their machine. So every time you load a material in your machine with a specific profile, it will tell you the calibration status of that material. I just created this new profile for our Brightline 3203X, and you can see here the calibration status is still pending. I have not done the CLC adjustment, the closed loop color calibration status. So to make this happen, all I have to do is hit this calibrate button, and it'll tell me it takes about 11 minutes, uses 2 milliliters of ink to make this process happen. I'm all good, hit start, and basically the machine will take over from here. The reason this CLC process is so important is with the ability to change user replaceable print heads, as well as those print heads just kind of aging over time, the density with which they fire drifts and changes. So by doing this calibration process, this closed loop calibration process periodically, it keeps me at a known point of my print heads firing. Fire a couple thousand milliliters through a print head, it's going to fire differently as it ages. This kind of resets it, allows it to boost and put down more ink. So what's going to happen here on the machine, which I don't need to be present for it happening, is it's going to lay down a known density of ink on here and then come back and read the density of that ink. It wants to read 100%, 50%, 40%, whatever the values are, and it knows how to adjust the print head health based on that. And so this is the way that you can keep your machine in calibration and keep those medias, the colors printing on those medias the same. So now we can see with my Brightline 3203X, my calibration status has been done. Every time I load this material in my machine, I can now check to make sure what status we're currently in. Anytime I change print heads, it's automatically going to make my calibration status obsolete. And this lets me know, hey, if I run color critical jobs, say I run the Grimco logo on this 3203X, but then I change a print head, I want that Grimco logo to look the same as I did months earlier the next time I printed. By paying attention to this calibration status, I can rest assured knowing that Grimco logo is going to look the same as it did months ago, as well as months in the advance. So real simple process working in your workflow. For those of you who don't worry about color accuracy in your machine, repeatable jobs, you can completely skip this step. Red's going to be red, blue will be blue, but if you really want to get the most color out of your machine, going through this CLC allows your machine to be color consistent over time. So I hope this video has been helpful. Please check out all the other videos we have on the HP Latex 730, 830 printers, as well as all the equipment that Grimco sells from the support page or the equipment support page on our website.